Good morning, students. Now we will continue with part 2, and that is from computer software. A set of programs used to perform a particular job or to enhance the capabilities of a computer is known as software. तो जो सेट ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स होता है जिससे कि कंप्यूटर की जो कैपेबिलिटीज़ होती हैं या उनके जॉब करने का जो तरीका होता है उसमें चेंजेस आ जाएं, ठीक है, या उसके प्रोग्राम को इम्प्रूव कर सके, उसे हम कहते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर. तो सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्ट्रक्ट्स द कंप्यूटर व्हाट टू डू, हाउ टू डू. Software includes the set of computer programs, procedures that describe the programs and how they are to be used. तो कंप्यूटर क्या करता है? कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर जो होता है वो इंस्ट्रक्ट करता है कंप्यूटर को कि क्या काम करना है, कैसे काम करना है. सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर क्या होता है? सेट ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स, प्रोसीजर्स विच डिस्क्राइब द कंप्यूटर हाउ टू use them. Okay, so there are two types of software. Computer software are normally classified into two broad categories: application software and system software. Okay, so what is software? Set of program used to perform a particular job or to enhance the capabilities of the computer is known as software. Okay, so computer software is normally classified into two broad categories, and they are application software and system software. Okay, now we will continue with our topic, system software. System software act as an interface between hardware and application software. System software allows applications package to be run on a computer with less time and effort. तो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एक इंटरफेस की तरह एक्ट करता है बिटवीन हार्डवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर, जो अलाउ करता है एप्लीकेशन पैकेजेस को रन करने के लिए, okay, on computer with less time and effort. It communicates with keyboard, printer, reader, disk, tapes, etc. It also monitors to use of various hardware parts like memory, CPU, etc. Operating system compilers, interpreters, and linkers are a few examples of system software. तो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर क्या करता है? कम्युनिकेट करता है कंप्यूटर से. कैसे? विथ कीबोर्ड, प्रिंटर, कार्ड रीडर, डिस्क, टेप एक्सेट्रा. वो मॉनिटर को भी यूज़ करता है. ओके, इट ऑल्सो मॉनिटर्स. वो मॉनिटर करता है कैसे हार्डवेयर को पार्ट को यूज़ करना है. ओके, हु मॉनिटर्स? सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर मॉनिटर्स. ओके, operating system compiler, interpreter, linkers are the few examples of system software. Knowing operating system. An operating system is the most important system software programs that runs on a computer. तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो होता है वो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर होता है जो सारे कंप्यूटर पे रन होता है. द OS is a large program made up of many smaller programs that control how the CPU communicates with other hardware component. It is the first program to be executed on computer. Some commonly used operating system software are Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Solaris, BOS. Okay, so OS is a large program. Okay, now our next topic is need for operating system. A user interact with a hardware with the help of system software installed in a machine. But this is not only the job required to be performed in a computer system. There are so many other routines to be performed in the system for its effective use, like memory management, processor management, resource allocation, etc. These are performed by operating system software. That's why when the computer is started, operating system is loaded automatically. Once the system is loaded by operating system, its functioning is controlled by the operating system, and it automatically performs the required routine jobs of the effective use of computer system. Okay, so why we need operating system? So that user can interact with the hardware with the help of system software installed in the machine. Okay, so there are so many routines to be performed in the system for the effective use of memory management, processor management, resource allocation. तो और भी कई तरीके के रूटीन परफॉर्म होते हैं सिस्टम में, जैसे क्या है, मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट करना, प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट, रिसोर्स एलोकेशन. ओके, now our next topic we are going to continue with is operating system and its function. Okay, so operating system is one of the memory resident programs which is loaded in the main memory of the system. When we switch on the computer system and stay still, the system is switched off. Okay, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम क्या है? एक मेमोरी रेसिडेंट प्रोग्राम है जो लोड होता है मेन मेमोरी के साथ. ओके, तो जब हम कंप्यूटर को स्विच ऑन करते हैं वो तब तक रहता है जब तक हम उसे स्विच ऑफ नहीं करते. तो व्हाट आर द मेजर फंक्शंस ऑफ अ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? कम्युनिकेट विथ हार्डवेयर एंड द अटैच्ड डिवाइसेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड डिवाइस मैनेजर. Manage different types of memories, memory manager. Provide a user interface, interface manager. Provide a structure for accessing an application, program manager. Enables user to manipulate programs and data, task manager. Manage the files, folders and directory system on the computer, file manager. Provide basic networking structure for LAN and internet, network manager. Now the various type of operating system. Now what are the various types of operating system? We will learn about the types of operating system. First one is single user operating system. Next one is multi-user operating system. Third one is multitasking operating system. Next one is time sharing operating system. Now next, real time operating system, distributed operating system. Okay, so in this topic we cover about the operating system, its function, major functions. What are the major functions? Device manager, memory manager, interface manager, program manager, task manager, file manager, network manager. Okay, now what are the various types of operating system? That is single user, multi-user, multitasking, time sharing, real time and distributed operating system. Good. So now we will start with the topic application software. Here we have completed system software. Now we will complete application software. Application software is a set of programs which are written to perform specific tasks of this user, such as accounts, stores, payrolls, etc. This software are developed in high level language to help the user to get the computer perform the task. Application software can be classified as follow: utility software, general purpose application software, specific purpose application software. Okay, so what are the types of application software? Utility, general purpose application software, specific purpose application software. Okay, so now we will learn about utility software. Utility software refers to some additional software to keep our computer system efficient and trouble free. Okay, generally this software come bundled with the operating system software, but we can also use utility software provided by other vendors. Few examples of utility software are as follows. So what is utility software? What we have learned, that utility software refers to some additional software. It means that additional one. Okay, one software is already there in the computer, it is additional one. Okay, So some few examples of utility software are as follows. First one is comparison utility software. Second one is backup utility software. Third one is disk defragmentation utility software. Fourth one is antivirus detection and protection software. These are all the types of utility software. General purpose application software. These packages are written for the people who have to perform common tasks on a computer system. DBase, Lotus 1, 2, 3, Fox Pro, MS Office, etc. are the names of general packages. Any person can use these packages because they can be used for different applications and purpose. Some commonly used application software are word processing software, database software, spreadsheet software, presentation software. Okay, but here we will learn about in this topic what I am explaining right now. We will learn about word processing software. This software enables the user to create and edit documents. तो वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर क्या करता है, इनेबल करता है यूज़र को कि कैसे क्रिएट करना है और एडिट करना है अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को. द मोस्ट पॉपुलर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ this type of software are MS Word, WordPad, Notepad. Some other are text editor. So the best examples are MS Word, WordPad, Notepad and other text editor. Okay, now database software. Database is a structured collection of data. A computer database relies on database software to organize the data and enable the database user to achieve database operations. Database software allows the user to store and retrieve data from database. Examples are Oracle, MS Access, etc. तो database क्या होता है, एक structured collection होता है data का, that is known as database. So this is a software where we can keep our data in an organized form and enable the database user to achieve the database operations. Okay, database software allows the user to store and retrieve data from database. So what does the database software do? It allows the user to store the data, okay, and when it's required it can easily access it. Examples are Oracle, MS Access, etc. Spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet software allows user to perform calculations. They simulate paper worksheets by displaying multiple cells that make up a grid. तो spreadsheet क्या करता है, वो allow करता है calculations perform करने के लिए. Okay, the paper worksheets by displaying multiple cells that make up a grid. Okay, now next one is presentation software. The software that is used to display information in the form of slideshow is known as presentation software. This type of software includes three functions, namely editing that allows intersections and formatting of text, methods to include graphics in the text, and functionality of executing the slideshows. Microsoft PowerPoint is best example of presentation software. So with the name only we can identify that what this software do. It present their work in a form of slideshow. Okay, now we will learn the software is used to display information in the form of slideshow, that is known as presentation software. It includes three functions, namely editing that allows intersection and formatting of text, methods to include graphic in the text, and functionality of executing the slideshow. These are three functions of presentation software. Okay, so what is the example of presentation software? Yeah, good, Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, that is the example of Microsoft presentation software. Okay, that is example of presentation software. Now specific purpose applications software. These are developed specially for the user by the program using high level computer languages. For example, when you develop a package to prepare a status report of your school, that is name of the students, their address, parents name, fee paid, mark obtained, etc., you are developing a customized package because the package developed for your school may not be of any use for other school. So special purpose application is also available, like when these are developed specially for the user by the program. ये स्पेशली यूज़र द्वारा डेवलप किया जाता है हाई लेवल कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज को यूज़ करके. ओके जैसे कि हमें स्कूल में फ़ी कार्ड बुक बनाना है या रिज़ल्ट प्रिपेयर करना है, सो वी नीड टू डेवलप अ पैकेज, ओके, टू प्रिपेयर अ स्टेटस रिपोर्ट ऑफ द स्कूल, of our school, okay, or your school. That is name of the student, their address, parents name, fee paid, mark obtained, etc. You are developing a customized package. We are developing, okay, here we have, यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या बना रहे हैं, एक कस्टमाइज पैकेज बना रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि हो सकता है ये जो हम लोग पैकेज बना रहे हैं वो बस हमारे काम आए, किसी और के काम ना आए. ओके so it is known as special purpose application software, which is only useful to one user, not to the others. That type of software are known as specific purpose application software. Okay.